Hello, good morning, happy Tuesday morning. So I have been working on, oops, wait, was I live? I'm sorry, good, hello and good morning. If you guys didn't hear the first one, happy Tuesday morning. Feels like a Monday. Okay, let me see if I'm live. 1 second. Yes. Hello. Yep, okay, cool. Let me silence this. Stop. Okay, all right. Feels like a Monday craziness, right? Okay, well, anyway, super impromptu. Once again, just decided to hop on because I've been working on the new digital that we're going to be using for the Indigoblu mixed media, mega mixed media um, box. So if you missed it, this is basically the one that we're going to be working on, and we're going to be making several different projects. The box comes with, I'll show you the kit here in a second, but the box includes the materials to make all of these amazing projects. Now, this is the one that we were talking about and that I told you guys I was going to work on a digital for us. Yes, there are other things that we're going to be doing, but this is the one that I wanted to refer to. So in this gorgeous tag that we're going to be making, there is a queen tag, and on there they're using this beautiful stamp set, which is gorgeous. But I figure, why don't we kind of customize it just a little bit? And in order to do that, I could create a digital for us. Okay, so this is for the folks that are going to be taking this class. So I asked who wanted, like, what animals were wanted for you guys to just kind of shout them out. And you guys shouted out a lion, and then an owl, and then I had some other ones that I had already started working on. Oh, I forgot the bunny. Okay, I might be able to go back and add a bunny if I delete one of the birds. Maybe. They're all so lovely. Anyway, I might be able to do a bunny. So again, I'm not a professional graphic artist or anything like that, but I'm going to try my best to see how we can get that done. But I wanted to show you the choices that we have so far. So that, and I'm creating some cool like queen quotes that are going to go with this. So this one says like live like a queen. I'm just kind of trying it out. This is a tag that is included in the box. And I wanted to kind of do sizing. So just for a size reference, of course, we have a lioness because, you know, lionesses are queens, of course. So we have a lioness. I also did a giraffe, which I thought was going to be super cool for you guys. Again, just rough cuts. I was just trying to get a sizing idea here. I did the owl that you guys requested. Of course, it comes with a bird originally, so I got us a couple of birds to choose from. I might have to omit one in order to fit a bunny. Yep, I think we're gonna have to pick a bird. Alexa, stop. Why is she playing my music? Alexa, stop the music. Thank you. So, I don't know. That bird or this bird? Which one are we getting rid of? This one is a fluffy one. This one, I think it's a cardinal, so it's kind of a tough choice. I'll have to make a choice. All right, I'll probably omit one of those. We've got a cat. I figure we have a lot of cat lovers, so I definitely wanted to have a queen cat. We have the lioness, of course. She is the baddest. And then I thought a llama would be fun as well. So, you know, maybe. Yeah, we have two birds. So I think I'll pick a bird and do a bunny. Now, if anybody else is purchasing this kit before I finalize the digital and you want me to see if I can include another animal, of course, these are all lovely. But if you decide, you know, I want, you know, maybe Maddie can make a different one, well, then let me know. But you have to let me know like today, because I am going to be printing these for the folks that purchased it, and I'm going to be including it with their box. Now, for the future orders, I will not be doing that. I'll be sending you a PDF, which you will print, okay? But But for the first few folks, obviously, that are going out this week, they will be getting a printed version, so they don't even have to print that. Okay, so let me show you the, now that we know what we're using and you can see the sizes, you guys can tell me in the comments if you have a favorite, or if you are buying a box, if you want me to do a different one, a different animal. Okay, so that's going to be for this gorgeous tag right here. We're also going to be working on, that is an option that can be done. I think we are going to do this one. Yes, we are doing this one. That one is a second option if you want to do that one instead of this one, which is the printer's tray. So we're going to be doing this project, and this project from one kit, okay? And let me show you what the kit all includes. One second, really quick, because some of you might have missed it when we did. Oh, and there is a QR code here that you can use also to do the video, the step-by-step video. Okay, all right, let me move all of these little things, and I'm going to show you what the box kit includes. Can I have that box, please, Princess? Thank you. Oops, one second. She dropped it. Oh, I see. You grabbed it from the side and it broke. Okay, yeah, it's a nice heavy box. It's got lots of goodies, and the wood is very, very heavy. So when you get your kit, it's going to come in this box, which is called Hot Off the Press Mega Mix Media Box number 2. So in there, you're going to get your step-by-step color instructions. You're going to get the tags. Now on here with the reinforcers, you're going to get 2, and that's why we're going to be able to do both the tags. We're going to do this one and this one, okay? And so you get 2, you get the reinforcers, you also get your lovely stencil, you get ephemera with it also, so you get a pack of ephemera, you get your printer's tray, which are these pieces right here. This is what's going to help you put that together, including the walls to create like the shadow box effect. You're going to also get a lot. Hang on. You're going to get the wooden pieces that you need. Now I've already popped out the cue, which I better not lose, right? Because I'm going to need. So you're going to get the cue there for the queen. Good gravy. I'm not going to try to fit that back in. But you can see that's the other heart that we're going to be using for the other project. You're also going to get all your blocks there that we're going to use. Then you also get a ton of product. So you get the vintage gloss glaze bottle. You get your luscious pigment in 2 different colors. No, two different colors. You get the thunder cloud and my favorite unicorn poo. I love the name. So you get your luscious pigment powders. You also get a gesso good in black, and you get also the slap it on matte, and finally you get the grab and go glue, which is really great because I mean, even though they're kind of like, well, these are smaller size, there's plenty in there for us to use, but you also get to sample the products too. So if you've ever wondered, well, what does that stuff do? You know, I don't want to buy one unless I know how it works. Well, now you get to play with those. So if you're new to mixed media, or even if you're a seasoned mixed media crafter, this is a great way to play with all kinds of stuff and be able to make some great fun projects. And if you're new, to try out different products that you might not be using. So that is the box, and that is going to be the digital, which was the whole purpose for this video. I'm going to leave a link, I guess, somewhere down below for you to be able to see the actual kit also online, and then you can let me know if you would like one added to your outgoing box. I can get that done, and then be able to also add an animal if need be. All right, my friends, that was all I had for you today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And I hope you like the digitals that I was able to create for us so that we can incorporate them into the class and use them for class. All right, you guys have a great Tuesday morning. I will see you soon. Bye.